Hey everybody, thanks for clicking in. Today we're at beautiful Sugar Beach condominiums, just west of Christiansted, literally 5 minutes from town. Reason they call it Sugar Beach is A, the sand is like sugar, and B, there's a sugar mill right next to the pool. Check that out, how cool is that? Built-in tables, great place to lounge. And then off behind me here is a sort of a private lounge area where you could catch up on your emails, catch a little Wi-Fi, read a book. And next to that is a private kitchen just for owners and guests. So if you want to have your own pool party, this is the spot. It also has tennis courts and, like I said before, a beautiful beach. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath unit, 3rd floor. Let's go check out the tennis courts, the beach, and then we'll check out the unit. Let's go. All right, here's the practice wall. I'm standing on one of the hard courts, and then there's another one right here. And the pool is just on the other side of those frangipanis. Really nice setup, very short walk to the unit. All right, let's head down to the beach. Here's the unit, and here's the beach. Check that out. It goes probably 500 yards down the shore. Beautiful walking beach and swimming beach. Check it out. All sand offshore here, and then there's a reef that runs along there. You can see it. Beautiful snorkeling if you ever wanted to get out there on a paddleboard or a kayak. And then right over to the left of these swimmers, you're going to see the island of St. Thomas right there, St. John right there, and Tortola right there. Super clear day, beautiful day. Beautiful to be on the ocean or just chilling on the sand. All right, let's head up to the unit and check it out. Okay, I've made it up from the beach up to the parking lot. Here's the sugar mill and swimming pool here, also the manager's office and the kitchen and so on. And then here's the entrance coming in. You've also got mailboxes here, which is real convenient, so you can actually get mail here if you're a full-timer or a snowbird. And then you park right in front of the unit, a couple of steps up, and then we head up the steps to 305. In the front door I came, straight into the entry hall. Notice you got your central air unit here, which controls the whole unit. Thermostat there, and then beautiful mahogany double door closets on the left as you come in. And then into the living room, dining area, massive vaulted ceilings. That's the advantage of being on the 3rd floor, of course. You don't have the flat ceilings, you've got the high vaulted ceilings. And then impact glass, sliding doors out to the patio. And then here we are looking back at the kitchen to the right. We'll check that out in a second. And the beautiful high ceilings. And check out, these aren't really skylights. I call them side lights just because they're on the side of the building, but they're opaque so no one can see them, but they give you a lot of additional light. Really nice. And check out these doors. These are pretty high tech. To lock and latch them, boom, ready for the storm. To open them, down, ready to go outside. And they operate like butter. Really nice. All right, here we are out on the patio itself. Very long, 16-inch tiles. Nice dining for 6 out here on a teak table. A couple of loungers in the corner, additional storage. Accordion hurricane shutters, and then right out to this beautiful, beautiful view. Look at that. That's looking towards Christiansted, right over there, Christiansted Harbor. And there's Buck Island behind that palm tree, believe it or not. You'll have to take my word for it. And then here we are looking westward down the shore. Just a great setup. Gorgeous view. Wonderful place to hang out. And then you've got the sliders leading into the dining living area and another set that go into the master bedroom. So very well designed, very well laid out, very comfortable. All right, back in the unit. And then we'll head over, check out the kitchen. Full-size fridge, nice countertops, stainless dishwasher, double sink, lots of cabinetry, and then here your laundry is conveniently located right here at the end. Electric range and oven, microwave up top. Really nice setup. Okay, we're back now by the front door, so we'll wrap around as if we just walked in and take a right into the bedrooms. Right off the entry hall into the master suite. You got a bathroom immediately to the right as you come in, and then down the hall to the bedroom itself. This is a big bedroom, really big. Even without the vaulted ceilings, it's a big room, but that just adds to it. King size sleigh bed, just in time for Santa. And then more impact glass sliders leading out to that patio. Awesome bedroom because you have the view, the access, double closets, mahogany bifold doors, really nice. And then if you want to, complete privacy, you just close this door off. And there you are in your master suite. Bathroom to the left, all beautiful travertine tile, teak bench in the corner. And then here we are in just a perfect renovated, high-tech, modern suite. Shower. Got a support bar, which is kind of smart. If you think the size of that glass, that gives it extra stability. Very nice feature. And then you get some built-in cabinets off to the right. More travertine coming up the sides. Granite on the top. Very nicely appointed. Okay, that's the master. Now let's go check out the 2 guest bedrooms. Right off the entry hall again, into guest bedroom number 1. Now this is the smallest of the 3 bedrooms, but still very nice. That's a queen size bed, fits beautifully. Got the high ceilings. And check this out, this is a really neat feature. You usually only see this in houses, not in condos. But this owner has gone ahead and put in a triple filtration system with ultraviolet light treatment for all of the water incoming to the unit. So the condo association filters it once, but here it gets filtered 3 more times, plus ultraviolet light. Real nice bonus. And then tons of light and air. If you open this up, you'd have that flow through, more impact glass. Give it the tap test. And then we head back out, down the hall to the right, immediate left is your guest bath. Now this doubles as a bathroom for this bedroom, but also for guests if you're entertaining right off the entry hall. So very well thought out. And I love this tile. Check out this tile in the shower. It's super nice. Got that blue and green coloration. Love it. And then nice fixtures, bathtub if you got the kiddos. And then more granite of more of a gray style. And then this is your hot water heater, sort of mechanical closet. Then down the end of the hallway here, we come into what really is like a master bedroom. It seems to me to be about the same size as the master bedroom. Now it doesn't have the ocean view, but you do have this beautiful view looking out to the palm trees here, which is pretty sweet. And it is kind of private off on the corner here, so it's real nice. Additional owner's closet here, guest closet there. And then we come straight into a travertine tiled bathroom and shower, including the floors and the walls. Really nicely done. Very good condition, basically brand new. And then here we are back out to more granite, which matches the other bathroom. Great guest bedroom. And then here we come back down the hall, past the dual bath there, looking back at the master, and then into the living room again. Great unit. I mean, if you're looking to be on the beach at this price point with 3 bedrooms and 3 baths, pretty hard to find right on the sand. Awesome patio space and incredible view. Check this out. I mean, if you're looking for a piece of paradise right on the sand, looking out over a turquoise bay, this is your spot. If you want to check it out, give us a call. In the meantime, grab yourself a coconut and have a beautiful Caribbean day, everybody. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. Hope you guys enjoyed that property tour. If so, please like our videos. Click here to subscribe. Click down here if you want to see more just like it. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.